Watch it! Can't you see where you're going? That's what the eyes are for.
I'm sorry. I was just looking at my phone.
All the humans are the same. Now get out of the way.
Okay, I'm sorry. Maybe you're wondering what's happening here. Well, there's a legend that tells the story of humans and animals clashing. You know, survival of the fittest and all that. This legend says that one day, carnivorous animals had the brilliant idea of imitating humans. And that's how the first Anthros emerged. Nobody knows how, but suddenly they were able to walk on two legs and use tools, surpassing humanity in the one thing they were good at. Years went by, and anthropomorphic animals imitated humanity, clothing, customs, culture, until they were practically humans with fur, which made them very annoying. And to make matters worse, some clever individual had the idea of forming a society with both species.
Hi.
Hey, sweetheart. I just wanted to check in and see how you're doing. It's been a week since I last heard from you. I know things have been tough, especially after what happened with your dad. So, please call me, okay? If you need anything, I'm here for you.
So, there are already over 8 humans missing this week. In other news, Willow is attending a rally by the Humans First Collective.
Thanks, Tim. The Humans First Collective is marching in the streets. Wait, here comes a protester. Hello, could you tell us the purpose of your march?
I won't talk to a dog.
Ven a vivir conmigo. Compartiremos mi caja de arena.
Eso no será posible, Julián. Mi dueña no lo permitirá.
Te dije que no te juntaras con los callejeros.
But why? Because you're my human friend. Wait, I'm your friend? You're my human friend. Let's say it with a song.
Hey there, Dragon Pal. Ever had one of those days? Well, you're in luck. Oh, Dragon Furniture is now open. The only store with fireproof furniture.
That's all? Okay, sorry.
O Dragon's Furniture. May your furniture withstand your fire.